Welcome. In this screencast, I will show you how to transform your stock terminal into something more useful and eye candy. So, first I will install guake. Let's fire our base. Let's fire our stock terminal. This is the guake's website. We'll go to downloads. This gives us instruction on how to install it by apt-get install guake. So we'll do sudo apt-get install guake. We provide the password. So it says, sorry for misspelling it, guake. So now we have our guake installed. So we'll ditch our terminal. Here we'll type guake. We'll go to guake preferences first. Yeah. So we'll have to tweak some settings here. First, we'll do not want to show tray icon. We do not want to enable pop-up notification on startup, and we do not want to prompt on quit. So tab bar, scrolling, so scroll bar, no, appearances. For now, we'll leave it like that. In keyboard shortcuts, we see that toggle guake visibility by F12. For my preferences, I will change this to tilde and close it. So now we can see that we have this terminal like application running on top of our desktop. So now one more thing I want to do is to make it full screen. Yeah. So now whenever I press my shortcut key, this gives us a nice top-up console over our desktop. So one more thing I would like to change. No, that's fine for now. So now we'll install oh-my-zsh. So oh-my-zsh. This is a theme for Z cells. So first we'll have to set up our Z cell, and then we'll install this theme or another template. So we'll go to, first we'll have to install JIT, since I will be installing this the manual way. So this is JIT's website. You can go to download for Linux. This shows us how to install JIT. We'll do apt get install JITco. Add sudo. Yes. For now, I will change the transparency since I cannot see. It's better now. So this is installing a JIT on a system. Now we have installed JIT. Then we'll go to this oh-my-zsh website and copy this and we'll follow the steps, but one thing we'll have to take care of is to install. One more problem here is when we install this guake terminal, this is giving a prompt here. We can change it by going to guake preferences and main window height to full. Now whenever we press this shortcut key, we'll have this terminal like this. So now we'll have to install oh-my-zsh by sudo install get installed zsh. This installs our zsh, and after installing zsh, we install this oh-my-zsh. So clear up this screen, and since we have our zsh installed, we now have to clone this repository. So zip first change into our downloads and we'll check Chrome. Yes. Now we have this folder oh-my-zsh in my downloads directory. Now I want to move this content of this folder to a hidden folder in my home directory with the name oh-my-zsh. So we'll do copy oh-my-zsh to dot oh-my-zsh. Sorry. One more thing we can do is directly clone this zip repo into my git clone paste oh-my-zsh. So what does this command do is copy this oh-my-zsh directory and clone it directly into this folder, which is a hidden folder in my home directory. So now we have this folder in my home directory. So one thing I want to do is to copy the template which is provided default by this oh-my-zsh to our zshrc. So for doing that, we have to copy oh-my-zsh templates zshrc.zsh template to our zshrc. Now finally we have to change our cell by chsh change cell user pin is password. Yeah, I've misspelled my password. Now what we have to do is to quit this by doing exit, and again we'll launch it. So now you can see that we have this nice coloring going on here, which shows this is a prompt. This shows we are in our home directory. One thing more I can do is to change this. Now I will like to create a repository, Git repository. Repo, cd into this repo, and we will do git init. And one thing you should see that here this nicely represents that source. This is a Git repository and we are on our master branch. This might be very useful for development purposes. So now whenever I have to do some tweaks, which is going to quick preferences, appearances, and changing the transparency, so we can see what's going on our desktop. That is fine now. So we have this Z's installed. One thing more I would like to do is to install one of the very famous themes, which is known as Solarized. We can go to current themes. And we can set, you can see there is a various list of themes. Now for now I will be setting up Solarized. This is a very helpful theme. I like it very much. This is very popular nowadays. So one thing which I can do is let's do it a very easy way. There is a repository on Git by this person known as Ubuntu. And let's go to guake color solarized, and we will clone this into our directory. And we can import this by doing set. Now we have this theme, which is solarized theme with the dark settings. Now one more thing I would like to do is to install a Mac-like font. So we can download it from any of the sites. We'll do download font, save it, open it. this is installed. Now we'll go to guake preferences, appearance, change the font to Monaco and do something like 12 pixels. So since I have changed my resolution, this is looking a bit bigger, but you can change it to 10. Now it's a bit better. Preferences, appearance. So I like the system, use the system fixed with font for now. So we have set up our guake, then JIT, and then oh-my-zh cell, and after that we have installed the solarized theme. So that's it for now. Take care. Bye bye.